One of the most important parts of lucid dreaming is actually controlling the dream once you become aware, and it's something that isn't always easy. Many people struggle with controlling their lucid dreams, so in today's video, I'm going to show you the best tips and tricks to ensuring that your next lucid dream is amazing and you end up doing what you want to do. Before I get into this video, please hit that subscribe button. I post weekly lucid dreaming tutorials, so if you want to master lucid dreaming so that you can do it whenever you want, then subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Okay, so once you become lucid, you may want to change the scenery or the location that you're in. Let's say that you're standing in the desert with nothing around you, and you want to create a restaurant so that you can sit down and eat a delicious free meal. Most people make the mistake of trying to create the restaurant right in front of them, wishing for it to appear. But that is not what you should be doing. The best and easiest way to create something in a lucid dream is to imagine it behind you, rather than in front. Try to picture it in as much detail as you can. So if you want to create a restaurant, think about how big it would be, what kind of restaurant it would be, and even small details like the color. Once you've spent some time visualizing it, expect that restaurant to be right behind you. Turn around and it will be there. This trick works for spawning any object into your lucid dream, and it works for people as well. If you want one of your friends or even a celebrity to appear in your dream, just imagine them standing behind you and then turn around. Let's say that you want to teleport somewhere in your dream. How can you do this without waking up? One of the best methods, and it is something that I do frequently in my lucid dreams, is to create a door and then stand in front of it. Visualize your destination on the other side of the door in as much detail as you can. Then open the door and step through. You should now be in the new location that you thought of. The reason we use doors to enter a new dream place instead of trying to change everything around us is because it can get a bit overwhelming to entirely change your surroundings. And if you don't have experience with dream control, you probably can't even do it in the first place. Doors provide a smooth transition into wherever you're trying to go, and I strongly recommend using them if you want to teleport. This simple trick also works with time travel, so instead of imagining a different location on the other side of the door, imagine a different time. If you're more advanced with lucid dreaming and want to teleport with style, fly up above the clouds and visualize your destination below. Then simply fall back down through the clouds. You will land at the new place that you imagined. I've tried this a couple times myself, and it's pretty cool. When you're lucid dreaming, you have easy access to your subconscious mind. You can communicate directly with it to gain deeper insights about yourself and how you perceive the world. It's definitely something worth trying, but you may be wondering how to actually do it. Once you become lucid, the simplest way to communicate with your subconscious mind is to create a dream character, telling yourself that the character is your subconscious. The character can either be a human or an animal. Once you spawn in that character, ask them open and direct questions about yourself. You may be surprised by some of the answers you get, but just know that the character is yourself and it wants what's best for you. You can also ask them for advice, and I find this really helpful because you're basically just communicating directly with your inner self. When you wake up, make sure to record the conversations that you have in your dream journal so that you can look back on them later. Speaking of dream journaling, are you writing down your dreams every morning? If you're not, you should probably start doing that if you want to lucid dream more consistently. If you want to learn the best tips and tricks to remembering your dreams when you wake up, watch my video on dream recall. I've left a link up in the top corner of this video and down in the description. That's about it for today's video. I hope these tips will help you control your lucid dreams even easier. If there's something that I didn't mention in this video and you need help with, just leave a comment down below and I will try my best to respond. Again, if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button because I post weekly lucid dreaming tutorials on this channel, so it's important to turn on notifications so you don't miss when a new video comes out. And as always, thanks for watching.